Yeah, this is Drake Thomas Booth here with another Zippo Trick for y'all. It's called the Flick Spin Flick, or whatever you want to call it. That's just what I call it. That's what you do. Flick, spin, flick. Here's the trick again. Hopefully slower. Now, if you didn't understand that, there's the breakdown. Holding it in your hand like this, use your hinge, finger, thumb. Flick it down. Put your middle finger behind it, ring finger in front of it. Spin it, swing your fingers, and fall in your hand, like so. You flick it, you reach your thumb over, your finger should still be on the little maybe. You flick it forward. Close me. Now, after practice, you won't drop it. But during practice, probably will drop it, and I would not do this with a fancy ladder. I do this with something that's already been beaten up. Or if it's your only ladder, like, do this with a user ladder, not with something that you want to keep nice. This obviously is a user ladder. It's all messed up. Here's the trick again. Flick, spin, flick. There are other names for it, but I don't know what they are. I'm just saying what they do. Flick it down, spin it around, you flick it again, and close it. So that's my trick for you guys. Have fun, be safe, and don't let things fire. It's not supposed to be. Alright guys, see you later.